Hi guys, this is Group 4 and this is
Stephanie Reynoso.
I'm Sylvia Medrano.
I'm Denise Guevara.
And Rosie Diaz.
And today we're going to talk to you guys about the eye and mainly about the blind spot. Now, what the blind spot is, it's the part of the retina that does not contain any receptors. Now, by receptors, I mean the part of the eye that doesn't detect any light. Now, the retina is a layer located in the back of your eye. Now, when images tend to fall on that particular part of your eye, those are images that cannot be seen. Now, and that is when we say that is our blind spot. Now, in these next images, I will show you guys here in more detail. First off, this picture up here, this is what we all know to be the eye. What we don't really think about is what makes up the eye, which if you guys look at this image down here, these are all parts that actually make up our sight and our eye. Now specifically today, we're focusing mainly on the retina, which is that bottom portion right there, and the blind spot, which is that portion right there of the eye. Now, like I said, if any image hits that area or lands on that particular area, your blind spot, those images will not be detected or seen. Now, I will have Stephanie now explain to you guys a bit more of some research that she conducted and information that is found valuable to what we are explaining to you guys here today.
I found this study. It's called Attention and Blind Spot Phenomenology. It was conducted by Lang Lo and Jing Chen from the Department of Psychology at Grand Valley State University. This article examines attention and blind spot phenomenology. Phenomenology, wow, that's a mouthful, means that which appears. It's a study on perception and what is understood. This article suggests that visual filling in at the blind spot is A, misleading, and B, easier if attention is not centered at the blind spot rather around it. So now I will introduce to you Rosie, which will demonstrate how you can find your blind spot.
Okay, so we got this really cool test for you guys to see where exactly your blind spot is. First, what we're going to do is first notice that there's a cross there and a dot. What you want to do now is close your left eye and put your hand over your left eye, staring at the cross mark with your right eye. Off to the right, you should be able to see the spot. Don't look at it, just notice that it's there. You should be able to see the dot if you're a couple feet away. Now slowly move toward the computer screen. Keep looking only at the cross mark while you move. At a particular distance, about a foot or so, the spot will disappear. Then if you continue to move, it will reappear. The spot that disappears falls in the optic nerve head, the hole where there's no receptors, and that is what we call the blind spot. So now we'll send us, Denise will send us off. Thank you.
Hello. So we hope you guys enjoyed and found our information useful and interesting. And now remember, don't trust your eyes completely or anyone else's.